Ready?
Ready? Well, hi.
My name is Harshvardhan Gaikwad from HGPA Classes Pune. Well, this video is for all the CA Foundation students who have just given their CA Foundation exams. Well, if you are watching this video right now, you are actually waiting for your next big step, and that is CA Intermediate.
Before I begin the details of CA Intermediate, I want everyone to see this analysis which is just popping up on your screen. If you see in that, there is a huge gap between the results of CA Foundation and CA Intermediate. It is literally half. That means जितने बच्चे CA Foundation clear होते हैं, उतने बच्चे CA Intermediate बिल्कुल clear नहीं होते.
If you see the difference, the CA Intermediate results are literally half of CA Foundation. What is that it makes such a big difference? Well, there's lack of preparation and preparation.
Almost 9 से 10 महीने मिलते हैं हर स्टूडेंट को CA इंटर प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, बट स्टिल वो फेल हो जाता है.
क्या रीजन? The lack of preparation. Concepts clear नहीं रहता है. Writing practice एडवांस टेस्ट सीरीज अवॉइड करना चाहते हैं.
ये लिस्ट बढ़ती ही जाएगी.
कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर होना CA इंटर पास करने के बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. लेकिन इसके लिए करें क्या? We need to have a look on the past year examination paper. और हमें इससे ये पता चलता है that the approach used by ICAI is not direct, it's case study based. So जिनके concepts clear है, वो पक्का clear है.
You guys be wondering what exactly do we do at HGPA? So let me give a brief highlight about HGPA classes. So for CA Intermediate,
We are launching our free demo lectures in the week of September.
for more details you have to contact HGPA office, in which you will be given every detail about the batch which is coming up. Moreover, the biggest question in everyone's mind is that whether this batch is going to be online live or offline, or is it going to be recorded?
First answer is yes, this batch is online live. But that does not mean that your sessions, your queries will go unanswered. So, we are having online interactive classes for every subject, your 8 subjects in CA Intermediate.
You will be giving online real-time answers for all the 8 subjects.
Isn't it amazing that all your questions are going to be solved just in a fraction of a second?
That's right.
Just teachers don't talk at HGPA, even students do.
We are having amazing communication with the students. This is a speciality. So it means that all the classes which are happening right now are virtual just for the namesake, but in reality they are live.
Yes, we definitely agree that face-to-face classes की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता है. But in this scenario, live classes is the best option you have.
Sir, मेरा live lecture आज miss हो गया. अब no need to panic. There is HGPA app which is going to have all the backup videos. But sir, उसमें viewing restrictions रहेंगे. सब तरफ है, इस तरफ नहीं. No viewing restrictions on the videos uploaded on HGPA app ever. You can see it anytime, anywhere for n number of times.
Sir, हम लोग tests अगर देना चाहते हैं तो we have ample amount of tests at HGPA. So it's not going to be like you will be
Unprepared or you won't be ready for the exam. No. Unlike others, you don't have to panic during exam.
So why you're waiting for? Enroll your name now for the free demo lectures which are happening in the month of September.
Well, more on to this, every faculty at HGPA is qualified. They have the experience for CA Intermediate. There's one more common question in every student's mind, and that is, so can we take online admission for individual subject? And the answer is yes at HGPA. So any subject which you feel that you can get an admission in HGPA, yes, we are welcoming you for that. Moreover, your notes will be couriered to you at your doorstep.
And there's one more thing which is an added benefit. We have our HGPA app also, and which has unlimited views. So during the day, if 8 lectures are conducted, 8 lectures will be recorded on that app, which you will have unlimited access to it. Well, what more you want from this, okay? And please do attend the free demo sessions for CA Intermediate and enroll your admission now
So come and be a part
of HGPA family.